Hello everyone and welcome to today's demonstration of the KitchenAid Artisan Kettle. I have the red version here, which I must say looks absolutely fantastic. The first thing you will notice is the thermometer right in the middle there. That tells you the temperature of the water inside. And because of the double layer of insulation on this kettle, the water stays warmer much longer than a regular kettle. The first thing I want to show you is the temperature gauge here, which runs from 50 all the way up to 100, and as you can see, as I move up, it lights up. So if you are into your specialty teas like green tea or herbal tea, they recommend a slightly lower temperature for brewing, so something around the 85-90 mark. So I will leave it at 95 for the purposes of this demonstration. So I filled this up with water earlier on, so now I just switch it on, and as you can see, it makes a nice little sound as soon as you switch it on, and the temperature gauge starts flashing. It's not very noisy, as you will see. So as you will see, as the water gets warmer, the needle on the thermometer starts to move, as does the lights on the gauge. So as the water gets warmer, the number of lights increases. At the moment we have 3 solid lights and the 4th light flashing on 80. And if you look at the thermometer there, that's also approaching 80 as well now. So we want 95 and it's reaching the desired temperature. And there we are, and as you might have heard, there's a little ping sound to let you know that the temperature has reached 95 and the final couple of things I want to show you is firstly the button here which you press and it opens the lid in a very smart movement. There we are. And finally, I just want to show you the pour. Which is very nice. I'm not sure how well you can see that. It's very smooth flow of water. I'll just pop that back. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.